Good morning, everybody. It is the 2nd of January. I did not get hardly any sleep last night because we stayed up late working out and we woke up early today to get to work. Have not yet worked out this morning. I got up early. I've been checking email, trying to get everything ready for shipping out these bricks today. So I've got to go and make sure that if anybody emailed me saying they got their address wrong or whatever, I've got to fix that before I can start printing the shipping labels. So went through, got all that done. All the shipping labels are printing now. Actually, let's just go check it out. So, Crystal's in my office right now working away as well. Got the shipping labels printing there. And Crystal and
I...
Signing cards! Hand-signed cards. It's a lot of signing. I do not condone energy drinks. I don't really recommend them. I have been drinking these though, which are the Zevia energy drinks. They've only got 120 milligrams of caffeine compared to like a Bang energy drink that has like 300. And this is my second one today so far, so that's not good. I normally only drink one a day, but since I only got 3 hours and something sleep last night, I'm feeling it pretty bad right now. Sorry it's noisy in here. The labels are still printing over there. You can see those. But today's gonna be good. I'm not gonna let my lack of sleep bring me down. Today's gonna be a good day. Get ready. Alright, so we took an intermission from the computer work to work on our back and biceps. So we trained back and biceps today. It was good. Went heavy, went hard. Probably gonna take off in a little bit and do cardio, but I gotta do some more computer work before I do that, so cardio is in the making. Alright, y'all, before I do anything, I'm gonna walk over here, see how the crew is doing, and sign some more of these cards. Make sure they've got plenty of labels and whatnot, so let's check it out. What up, crew?
What's happening?
Y'all on YouTube.
Oh God.
Megan loves being on YouTube, isn't that right, Megan?
It's my favorite.
She does her hair every day to be on YouTube.
Beautiful. I do my makeup.
How's it going in here? Look at all these packages. Alright, y'all, we are headed to the post office right now. I got my sidekick Dylan with me.
What's up?
We're gonna load up these bricks. We got a van full of them, so they should be to your place by the end. Today's what, Wednesday? Probably by the weekend for most of y'all, so be looking forward to them. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back from dropping off all of the bricks. That was a smooth delivery. They should be getting to you very, very quickly, if not by the end of the week. Not gonna lie, I'm incredibly tired, y'all. Like, I've been crashing hardcore. I didn't get but 3.5 hours of sleep last night. And it's really tempting for me to just go to bed now. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening. But instead, I think I'm gonna go do cardio, because I haven't done cardio yet this week, and I really need to get in at least 3 days a week of cardio. And this is gonna sound crazy, but exercise can replace sleep. And not take that to the extreme and say, okay, you gotta have, like, sleep is obviously important. We all know that. I'm not trying to argue that point at all. But exercise stimulates a lot of the same receptors in your body and brain that wake you up, give you energy, make you just feel good and feel rested, believe it or not. So I'm going to go do cardio here in just a little bit. I gotta do some inventory real quick of the keto brick supplies. And then I'm gonna go do Stairmaster and finish the day strong. Hey baby, what you got there?
Your dinner.
My dinner? Ooh, my good woman brought me my food. So we got, that's a pound of burger patties. Doesn't look like it's all cooked up, but that's a pound of burger patties, 75-25. I got my select seasonings. Focus. My camera's not been focusing really good lately. And then I got some of the Primal Kitchen ketchup, which I'm a huge fan of, the unsweetened organic ketchup. And this is gonna top off my meals for the day. So just to read you my macros, I've got a, so I started off with the steak today and the keto brick. And then today I've got the right now I've got the 75-25 ground beef. So that's going to give me a total of 3,624 calories, 289 grams of fat, 15.4 grams of carbs, and 202 grams of protein, which breaks down to a 74.9% fat ratio, which I'm super happy with. I got a little bit hungry throughout the day. This is the thing, y'all. This whole 2 pounds in a brick, it just simplifies things and takes the guesswork out of it. So it's like, I eat that, I don't eat beyond that. Like, I just don't eat beyond that. 3,600 calories is plenty of food for me to have enough fuel to power through my workouts, build muscle. That's an ample amount of fuel. The cool thing is that since I was at 6,000 calories for so long, when I dropped to 4,000 calories, I actually started losing weight, losing body fat, and leaning out pretty rapidly, considering such a caloric surplus. So now with this at 2 pounds in a brick, I'm gonna be at 3,600 calories, and I'm just not gonna have any of the other noise. So when I was at 4,000, I would oftentimes, you know, grab a handful of nuts, grab a piece of cheese, and just kind of like eat a little bit of a surplus, things I didn't really necessarily need, and I was able to maintain a pretty lean body fat with that. But now that I'm tightening it up even more, I'm excited to see how my body responds, because I feel like it's going to respond pretty well, especially with the consistent 3 days a week of cardio and just the consistent training and just the simple act of, you know, staying hydrated and lifting hard, lifting heavy, and eating good food. So super excited about that. All the keto bricks got shipped out today. They'll be at your doorstep soon. There are still mocha bricks in stock. It's funny, y'all definitely wanted the new flavor. Those sold out like in an hour, and the mocha bricks are still there's still some of those in inventory. So we have definite need to bring in the new flavors, which I'm fully going to do. We're gonna bring more of the cookies and cream if this goes well. Did I say vanilla? Cookies and cream. So yeah, cookies and cream crunch. Those sold out in an hour. I'm super excited about those being a success, and then we've also got some new flavors coming in the pipeline. Right now I'm gonna dig into this while it's still hot, and I will see y'all tomorrow.